dreaming of studying abroad. Your global future is waiting. But let's be real, the path isn't always clear. So, let's map it out together, step by step, the smart way. What's the biggest hurdle stopping you? For most people, it's the cost. Studying abroad is an incredible investment in your future, but those tuition fees can feel overwhelming. That's your number one concern. You are definitely not alone. But what if I told you there's a key to unlock that dream? Scholarships. No, they aren't just for the top 1% or a select few. With the right strategy and guidance, you can significantly reduce your financial burden and turn your study abroad dream into a reality. Think it's impossible to get a big scholarship? Think again. It is totally possible to get up to $60,000 in scholarships from a single university. Many international universities, especially in places like Canada, offer high-value, merit-based scholarships that can slash your tuition costs. Here's a real-world example of how it works. If your academic score is 90% or higher, you could get $15,000 per year for a total of $60,000 over 4 years. If your score is between 80 and 90%, you could still get $10,000 per year, totaling $40,000. And the best part? Often, no separate scholarship application is required. You're automatically considered just by applying to the university. A study abroad journey can be made simple. It starts with a dream, choosing the right course and country. Then you apply, shortlisting universities and scholarships. Next comes the visa process, with strong documentation and compliance. Before you know it, you're flying, with all the pre-departure prep handled, and the journey doesn't end. There we also look at post-study work opportunities and even long-term residency pathways. One clear roadmap with zero confusion. Universal Pathways is your trusted guide. We are a government-registered consultancy dedicated to transforming your study abroad goals into a well-planned success story. We guide so you can grow globally. We navigate all the complexities for you. We help you find the right fit, the course, country, and university that are perfectly aligned with your career goals. We build a personalized scholarship strategy targeting every eligible opportunity, from major awards to those hidden grants. And we ensure flawless visa applications. Applications accurate, compliant, and compelling. So, are you ready to stop dreaming and start planning? Let's map your personal pathway to success. Schedule a free consultation with one of our licensed experts today. Your global future is closer than you think. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to help you on your journey.